Fresh finishes can completely transform your cabinet and save money on costly renovations. Best Rechargeable Cordless Paint Sprayer for cabinets delivers smooth, even coverage with cordless convenience, helping you achieve professional-looking results faster, cleaner, and with less effort. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Wagner FLEXiO 5000. The Wagner FLEXiO 5000 is a powerful HVLP paint sprayer designed for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts who want professional-looking results without spending hours with brushes and rollers. Its X-Boost turbine provides enough power to spray most unthinned paints and stains directly from the can, making preparation much faster than many competing models. The stationary base design is one of its biggest advantages because the turbine stays on the ground while you work, reducing arm fatigue during large projects. The 11.5-foot air hose gives you plenty of reach for painting walls, ceilings, fences, and siding. The included eye spray nozzle is excellent for broad surface coverage, while the detail finish nozzle delivers a smoother finish on cabinets, furniture, and trim. Adjustable controls allow users to fine-tune paint flow, spray width, and pattern for better accuracy. Cleanup is also simplified thanks to the lock-and-go system and disposable cup liners. Overall, the FLEXiO 5000 offers a strong combination of speed, comfort, versatility, and consistent performance for a wide range of painting projects. Number 2. Tilswall 800-watt HVLP paint sprayer. The Tilswall 800-watt HVLP paint sprayer is a practical option for DIY users looking for flexibility and solid performance at an affordable price. Powered by an 800-watt motor, it delivers smooth paint application for projects such as walls, fences, cabinets, furniture, and decorative crafts. Its split body design helps reduce hand strain because the motor remains separate from the spray handle, making extended painting sessions more comfortable. Its large 1,300 milliliter paint container allows longer spraying time before refilling, helping improve productivity on larger jobs. The sprayer includes 3 nozzle sizes that accommodate different coating thicknesses, from thin sealers and varnishes to thicker latex and chalk paints. Users can also choose between horizontal, vertical, and circular spray patterns to suit various surfaces and project requirements. The adjustable flow control provides better paint management and helps reduce waste. While proper paint thinning is recommended for best results, the sprayer rewards users with smooth coverage and reliable operation. It is a versatile choice for homeowners tackling frequent painting projects.
Number 3. Fuji Spray Semi-Pro 2 HVLP. The Fuji Spray Semi-Pro 2 HVLP is a professional-grade paint sprayer built for users who demand precision, durability, and a high-quality finish. Unlike many consumer-focused models, this system is designed with serious woodworking, cabinetry, furniture refinishing, and detailed finishing projects in mind. Its professional non-bleed spray gun helps reduce material waste while providing excellent control during application. The adjustable fan pattern allows users to tailor the spray width for different surfaces and finishing requirements. The metal turbine housing adds durability and is built to withstand years of regular use. A 25-foot hose provides exceptional mobility around workshops and job sites, while the integrated air control valve helps minimize overspray and bounce back. The included cleaning brush and maintenance tools make upkeep straightforward. Overall, the Semi-Pro 2 stands out as a dependable choice for professionals and dedicated hobbyists seeking premium finishing performance. Number 4. VONFORN 700-watt HVLP paint sprayer. The VONFORN 700-watt HVLP paint sprayer is a versatile and beginner-friendly tool that makes painting projects more efficient and enjoyable. Designed for furniture, fences, walls, doors, and outdoor decor, it includes 4 nozzle sizes that provide flexibility for different materials and project types. The ability to switch between horizontal, vertical, and circular spray patterns allows users to achieve more even coverage across a variety of surfaces. One feature that sets this model apart is the included dust-blowing attachment, which helps remove dirt and debris before painting for a smoother finish. Cleanup is also simplified with the built-in cleaning connector that allows flushing residual paint from the system using a faucet connection.
Tool-free assembly makes setup quick, even for first-time users. The adjustable flow control knob gives users better command over paint output, helping achieve consistent results while minimizing waste. With thoughtful accessories, easy maintenance, and adaptable performance, the VONFORN 700-watt is a strong choice for homeowners looking to handle a wide range of DIY painting projects.
Number 5. InoKraft HVLP Paint Sprayer. The InoKraft HVLP Paint Sprayer is designed to make painting easier for beginners, while still offering the performance needed for quality results. Its powerful motor delivers smooth and even atomization, helping users achieve attractive finishes on furniture, walls, cabinets, and other household projects. The clear measurement scale and translucent 1200 milliliter container make paint preparation and monitoring simple, reducing guesswork during operation. One of the standout features is the innovative magnetic base and 360-degree rotating suction hose, which follows movement naturally and maintains a steady paint flow even when spraying at different angles. This design improves convenience and reduces interruptions during work. The sprayer supports multiple coating types, including latex paints, water-based paints, and stains, making it suitable for a variety of applications. Cleanup is equally impressive, thanks to the quick flush adapter, cleaning kit, and disposable paint bag system that speeds up color changes and maintenance. Combining user-friendly features with dependable performance, the InoKraft HVLP Paint Sprayer is an excellent option for DIY enthusiasts seeking reliable painting results. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.